You should start creating your own Memberpage today. Get DigiMember Pro. DigiMember is easy but powerful. DigiMember is a very functional, easy-to-use membership solution, which transforms every WordPress page into a complete member area. Install and activate the plugin, and within minutes you'll have your own member site, complete with protected content that only your members have access to. Integrate a payment provider and sell your memberships fully automated. Numerous possibilities are available for you with DigiMember. Products, digital, courses, video, products, download, systems, subscription, generation, lead, congresses, online, magazines, niche, training, employee, and much more. Easy to use. DigiMember is an easy-to-install WordPress plugin. The setup takes only a few minutes and is very simple. Secure protection of your content. DigiMember protects your pages and articles from unauthorized access. Doesn't matter if it is a single page or multiple extensive courses. Unlimited products. Create any number of products or membership levels. You choose freely which of your protected content belongs to which product. Easy integration. Whether an already existing one or a complete new WordPress page, with DigiMember you can integrate your already existing and entirely new content within a few easy steps. Flexible design. Free or paid content. You decide whether you want to offer your memberships completely for free or paid, combination possible too. Payment monitoring. DigiMember checks incoming payments from the payment provider and automatically blocks access if no payment has been made or a rate has not been paid. Time-controlled activation. Define time intervals with which your member pages are activated for your users', example, weekly or monthly. Interfaces to payment providers. Simple and fast integration of payment providers. Fully automated activation of your content after receipt of payment. Email marketing integration. Keep the direct connection to your members and customers. With DigiMember you can automatically add new members to your email marketing software. Examinations and certificates. Your members can take exams created by you. Members who passed the exam will get a personalized certificate. Download Manager, safe. Protect your ebooks and other downloadable content with DigiMember. You decide how long and how often your download products, example ebooks, are available to a customer. Protecting content sections. You want to present a part of your content and arouse your visitors' curiosity? No problem. With DigiMember you can share individual sections of your pages and protect the rest at the same time. Temporary accesses. You decide how long your members have access to your products. Whether a few days, several weeks, or for unlimited time. Pay per post. With DigiMember you have the possibility of offering single articles or pages for your visitors at a specific price. See more features here. Premium features you'll love: Heartsuite. Personal addressing. With DigiMember, you address your members personally. Welcome new members by name in the member area and address them personally with their names at every point of the text or in headings. Just a small short code in the appropriate places is needed. Watch the demo. Sequential activation, subscription. Unlock content for your members and customers in specified time intervals. You decide when which page or which post should be activated automatically. You can choose to make it daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or design yourself a completely individual activation plan. Watch the demo. Protection of download products. Protect your download products. In DigiMember, you have a secure download vault at your disposal, with which you can encrypt the URL of your download files and limit the number or the available duration of your downloads. Watch the demo. Individual page content. Show your members individual page content. For example, you show customers of product A an advertisement for product B and vice versa. Customers who have purchased product A and B do not see any advertisement. So, you address your members in a target-oriented manner and block unnecessary advertising for the rest. Watch the demo. Actions-based marketing. You can use DigiMember to create so-called actions. You can specify under which conditions which sort of reaction should be triggered. For example, you can send your members an email when they logged in or visited a certain page for a certain period of time. This gives you the opportunity to create very targeted and exactly timed offers. Watch the demo. Exams and certificates. Offer your members the opportunity to take an exam about the content you've shown them before. If they pass your exam, you can reward your members with an individual certificate. Watch the demo. See more features here. Numerous payment and email marketing integrations. And generic integrations as well. What others say about DigiMember. And this is important to us. A great plugin with many possibilities. But the best thing is that it is constantly being developed and the support is very reliable. I would buy it again at any time. Mark Meese. DigiMember is a must if you want to offer professional online products. It makes your life a lot easier. Many thanks for this. Nina Strawman. I have created several online courses for business and private users with DigiMember. Everything runs smoothly. My favorite plugin. Sandra Krenzel. I am not only enthusiastic about DigiMember as a plugin, because it is easy and intuitive to use, but also about the support, which quickly and competently helps when questions arise. On my side there is an extensive member area. With DigiMember this was easily realizable. Thank you. Bettina Calandra. DigiMember questions and answers. Does DigiMember only work with WordPress? Does DigiMember work with the current WordPress version? Can I also create membership level with DigiMember? Which payment providers can I use with DigiMember? Which email marketing providers can I connect to DigiMember? Can I unlock content with DigiMember on a scheduled basis? What are the notice periods for the Pro version of DigiMember? Can I import my existing members/customers into DigiMember? Start creating your Memberpage today. Get DigiMember Pro. Legal notice.